Hi guys, so today is the second day of us multiplying monomials and polynomials, and also we will be combining like terms in this lesson, like kind of putting it all together. Okay, so I'm gonna start with number 17, and then we'll do all the odd problems, and then you'll be responsible to complete the rest of the problems on this paper. Okay, on this side, let me just get it together, and then we're going to go ahead and start solving. Just get it with a pencil. Okay, so we do see that we don't only multiply monomial by polynomial, we also will have to combine like terms. So the way to start it is to understand that we're doing multiplication first, and then we do the other stuff. Okay, so let's take a look at this portion by itself. So y times this polynomial. So we are going to multiply y times y, which is y squared, and then y times 4 is positive 4y. Now let's look at this portion right here. Please don't skip this negative. This negative belongs to y. So it's actually negative y times y. Negative y times y is negative y squared. Negative y times negative 3 is positive 3. Y, because negative times negative is positive, minus 9y. So now we can combine like terms. We do see it's y squared minus y squared. So these terms just disappear because it's like the same minus the same. Now we can add up 4y plus 3y, it's 7y, minus 9y is negative 2y. And this is your final answer for this problem. Second, problem number 19. We're multiplying a monomial by this polynomial. So we're doing this portion first. 2y times 6x is going to give me 2 times 6 is 12xy. So now 2y times negative 4x squared y. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8x squared. And then y times y is y squared. And then I'm going to just copy everything I have after that. And then I'm going to combine like terms. First, we have to find those like terms. So these are my two like terms, right? Negative 8x squared y squared and positive 13x squared y squared. Negative 8 plus 13 is positive 5x squared y squared. So we took care of this portion. Now it's a positive 12xy that we have to copy, and then minus 6 that we have to copy as well. There's nothing to do. This is anymore. This is your final answer. Next, number 21, 3v times this polynomial. 3v times 7v is 21v squared. 3 times 7 is 21. V times v is v squared. 3v times negative 2 is negative 6v. Positive 3 times v squared is positive 3v squared. Positive 3 times 2v is positive 6v. 3 times 1 is positive 3. Now, negative 3v times negative 5v is positive 15v squared. Negative 3v times positive 3 is negative 9v. So that's what we got after we got rid of all the parentheses, after we multiplied everything we could. Now we're looking for the like terms. Okay, and we're looking for v squared term. So it's this here, and this right here. 21 plus 3 is 24. 24 plus 15 is 39v squared. Now let's talk about the v term. Negative 6v, positive 6v minus 9v. So these two get rid of each other because negative 6v plus v is 0. So all I have left is negative 9v. So and then we have only left one number that we didn't take care of, and it's positive 3. And all we have to do is just copy it. So this is my final answer for this problem. Number 23. So we again have monomial times polynomial. Negative 2r to the 4th power, because r to the 1st times r to the 3rd is r to the 4th. Negative 2r times negative 6r squared. Negative 2 times negative 6 is positive 12r to the 3rd power. 1 plus 2 is 3. Negative 2r times 6 is negative 12r. Then we're going to copy this one. Please make sure that you understand that this has nothing to do with these parentheses. In front of these parentheses is a negative. Negative what? Negative 1 that we usually don't write. So we have to multiply everything inside of these parentheses, this polynomial, by negative 1. Negative 1 times 5r to the 4th power is negative 5r to the 4th power. Negative 1 times 10r is negative 10r. Now we're looking for the like terms. Now we're going to start with 4th degree term. Here we are. Negative 2 minus 5 is negative 7r to the 4th. Now 3rd degree, the cube terms are here. 12 plus 4 is 16r to the 3rd. Now r terms are right here. Negative 12 minus 10 is negative 22r. Okay, and then I'm done. That's my final answer. Now you will have 2 geometric applications problems. The one is about the area of trapezoid, and the other one to find the area of shaded region as a simplified expression for this problem right here. So for the number 26, all you have to do, you have to find your area of the big rectangle, which is 6x times 8x minus 1. And you have to subtract minus the area of this little rectangle. And then you have to simplify the expression, and that's how you're going to get your answer. But right now, I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to find the area of the trapezoid in this case. So we know that the area of trapezoid is the sum of the bases divided by 2 times the height. So the sum of the bases, we're going to add the bases together. So it's base number 1 plus the second base. And we're going to divide it by 2, and then we're going to multiply it by 4x squared, which is the height. Okay, so now we are going to combine like terms right here on top. So 8x squared plus 2, okay, a cube term, it's 2x to the 3rd. There is no other ones right here above here, right? So now 8x squared, there's no other x squared terms. And then 3x minus x is 2x over 2. And then we have to multiply it by 4x squared. We see 4 is on top, 2 on the bottom. We can reduce this fraction. So instead of 4, we have 1. So it's actually 2x squared times this polynomial. So now all we have to do, we just have to multiply this monomial by this polynomial. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x to the 3rd power is 5. 2 times 8 is 16. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. 2 times 2 is 4. X squared times x is x to the 3rd power. And this is your final answer. This is the area of the given trapezoid. So your assignment for today is to copy everything I have on this video, and these are the odd problems and the way I show it on the video. And then also you have to do the even ones. I want your name on this paper, even though there is no name, like a spot for the name, please put your name on the paper for the full credit. And have a good day. This assignment will be due on Thursday, so I'll give you an extra day for that. Have a good one. Bye.